there's a lot new with the 2014 Durango. First of all, on the exterior, all new front end of the Durango, new projector headlamps with LED lighting, which really sets up a very menacing look with respect to the 2014 Durango. The new Dodge floating crosshair grille, and when you go around back on the 2014 Durango, you'll notice our LED racetrack tail lamps. We debuted that look with the Dodge Charger. We've now brought it into the Dodge Dart, and here it is now for the 2014 Durango. So that's on the outside, but when you get in to the inside, we've really dedicated ourselves to the details of the 2014 Durango. The 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, our next generation radio, and the first debut of that radio in any Dodge product. And for 2014 as well, we've got seat-mounted dual DVDs, Blu-ray, mounted behind the front passenger seat. The 7-inch thin film transistor display, which is really digital gauges that you can show up in a very ergonomically friendly manner, where you can get analog gauges, digital gauges to help keep you informed as to what's happening with your vehicle. The new Dodge steering wheel with illuminated controls, and of course under the hood we'll be installing the new ZF 8-speed transmission. That'll then create for a rotary dial in the interior of the Durango, freeing up a lot of that valuable console space. And of course, what you get with the 8-speed is a significant upgrade in power and particularly fuel efficiency with the 2014 Durango. We expect about a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency. Mated 8-speed to the Pentastar V6, we're estimating 25 highway miles per gallon. And to put that in context, that's almost 300 horsepower at 25 miles per gallon with a 6,200 pound towing capability. Best in class towing at both the V6 as well as the Hemi V8 configuration with the Durango. And to put even further that V6 mated to the 8-speed in context, that's a 600-mile driving range on the vehicle, enough to take you from Detroit to New York City without having to stop for fuel.